Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today we will learn how to save your document as a PDF. Just open a document. I want to save this document as a PDF. Why we need this? Because PDF is an independent platform. You can open PDF file in Mac, Linux and Windows very easily. That's why I need to save this document in PDF format. Just go to the file and click Save As. Save as type. You can see Save as type. Just click here and select PDF and click file name is the same and click Save. It's very simple techniques. You can make any document as a PDF. Hope these techniques will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.